Today, we're growing Cordyceps mushrooms. By the way, before we get started, y'all don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. First, I'm gonna blend these 2 eggs with 600 milliliters of water.
Take me out tonight, where there's music and there's people and the young and the light. Driving in your car.
Now that this is blended up, I can add it to the jars with the rice. Once I got my rice cleaned up like I like, I'm gonna take 35 grams of the rice and 56 milliliters of my broth, and I'm gonna add that to the jars.
I never want to go home because I haven't got one anymore. Take me out tonight because I want to see people and I want to see life.
Now, I'm gonna sterilize these jars at 15 psi for an hour. Once the pressure cooker is finished and the jars have cooled down, now it's time for me to inoculate. As you can see, I might have accidentally thrown my needle away, but we're gonna work with what we have. So I'm just gonna add a few milliliters from my Cordyceps culture to each jar, and we'll see what happens.
Driving in your car, oh please don't drop me home, because it's not my home, it's their home and I'm welcome no more. And if a double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die. And if a 10-ton truck kills the both of us, to die by your side, well, the pleasure, the privilege is mine. Take me out tonight. Take me anywhere, don't care, don't care, don't care. And in the darkened underpass, I thought, oh God, my chance has come at last. But then a strange fear gripped me.
Next, I'm gonna incubate these jars in the dark for 2 to 5 days at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. All I'm really looking for is this rice to be lightly colonized. It's been a few days, so I moved my jars out of incubation and into this tent for fruiting. I'll keep them in here at 65 degrees Fahrenheit with the lights on at all times. You can see how the light has turned the mycelium from white to orange.
Just couldn't ask. Take me out tonight. Oh, take me anywhere, don't care, don't care, don't care. Driving in your car, I never want to go home because I haven't got one all along. Oh, I haven't got one. And if a double deck.
Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we have our Cordyceps mushrooms, and it's time to harvest.
The bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die. And if a 10-ton truck kills the both of us, to die by your side, well, the pleasure, the privilege is mine. Oh, there is a light and it never goes out. There is a
Now, I'm going to dry the cordyceps at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or until they're cracker dry. You can tell the cordyceps are finished drying when you can do this. Now that my cordyceps are nice and dry, I loaded them into this jar here, and now I'm going to add this dry and dry pack to keep them dry. The cordyceps journey has now been completed. Going forward, I can use these to make extracts. Thank y'all for watching.